Welcome back to DevDesk Code. In our last video, we saw how Python does the heavy lifting behind the scenes with implicit type conversion. But what happens when Python gets it completely wrong? Let me show you what I mean. Let's write a simple program to add two numbers. So we're going to declare two numbers, so user underscore num underscore one is equal to input plus number is, then same for the user number two, input second number is. Now we need to sum add these numbers, so we're going to call the sum function user sum user underscore num underscore one plus user underscore num two, and then print the output. So now we have our code here. Let's save it. Let's try to run. I'm going to give the first input as 5, second number as 5. So um, I'm asking for two inputs, right? So that's why I gave two inputs as 5 for the first number, 5 for the second number. And you would expect the sum to be 10, right? 5 plus 5, 10. So let's run it. Let's see what we get. And boom, we got 55. Why did we get 55? Because everything that a user types into input prompt is converted by Python to a string data type. So instead of considering 5 and 5 as numbers and returning the sum of these two numbers as 10, it considered them as text 5 and concatenated those two texts and gave us like 55. So for example, if I have a line written this is and then that is, so if I declared first input as this is and second input as current, right? Those are string data types. And then if I add them, they would not give me a different output like in numbers. They would give me a concatenated sum. So they will concatenate it, will become one sentence. It will say this is current. So similarly, that happens here, right? So you get the output as a concatenated value of 5 and 5, which is 55. Now to fix it, what we need to do? So what we're gonna do is we are going to take control away from Python and perform explicit type conversion. We have to explicitly tell Python to turn on the text 5 into the number 5. So let's update our code. All we have to do is update these values here. So I'm just gonna write here float and same with the second float and so now we have explicitly converted the data type into float data type. So now the output we should be getting in decimal value. So I'm going to give to get the decimal value output. I'm just going to give it 5.5 as the inputs for both the numbers. So let's try save it and run it. So I'm going to give first number as 5.5, second as 5.5. There we go. Now we got it 11.0 exactly in decimal values. Now to make the code more beautiful, let's try to get that in whole sentence, which is saying that the sum of these two numbers is this, right? So to get that, let's try to print it. So we're going to change this output line. So what are we going to do is the sum of plus user underscore num underscore one plus and plus user underscore underscore 2 class is class user underscore sum. So the sum of user and user2 is sum. Now, I think let's try to run it. Let's save it and try to run this number, same input 5.5, 5.5. Now we got a type error. Why? Because Python enforces strict type safety. You absolutely cannot glue a string and a float together like this, right? Because we changed the data type to float, but the uh, but the rest of it is still string. So we cannot uh, add a string and float to get the output, right? So we need to explicitly convert the data type here. So what are we gonna do? Let's let's try update our code one last time. So I'm gonna clear the terminal. Let's go. So all we're gonna do is this output, we're gonna change it to string, right? String username, and now we're gonna get the output in string data type. I've saved it. Let's try to run it. There we go. The sum of 5.5 and 5.5 is 11.0, exactly what we wanted. Now, if this saved you headache, hit that like button, subscribe to DevDesk Code for more Python automations and tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you so much.